Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I am doing another basic man versus gentleman's box, but make sure you stay tuned because there is important information in this video. Let's get into it. Oh, and also, there is still a giveaway going on that will be linked down below. And there's other information down there if you are interested. So here we go. Let's get into this. So first we're going to open up Basic Man. It is a clothing subscription for guys. It's $20 a month and you just get basics. You get a pair of socks, you get an undershirt or a t-shirt, and a pair of underwear. And definitely getting into repeats. So I don't know, I'll talk to John to see if he still wants to get this. It's a Basic Man t-shirt and it's in black. I'm gonna just leave it in the package just to get through it today. Underwear in an orange. I think this is his third pair, and I'm pretty sure he has these socks too. The socks, everything is really well made. So I can't complain. It's just whether or not he wants to continue, or maybe he wants to pause it for a couple of months just to give it a break, but we're definitely getting repeats. So there is that. And the next thing is the gentleman's box. So the gentleman's box is $30 a month. He really does love this box. I like it too. I think it comes with some really cool things. And it fits our lifestyle because we go out on fancy date nights all the time. And he also has to wear like ties and stuff to work. So it works that way too. And I just elbowed Drogon. I have got to get a better way to keep him up here. So it's a tri-fold box and it opens like this. You do get a little booklet that tells you what everything is worth. So the first thing I am pulling out is a tie, and these are nice colors. They're silver and blue. So this tie retails for $35. And it's a nice tie. I don't think he has anything like this, so that's cool. The next thing I am pulling out are these polka dot socks. Those are also very cute. Those retail for $12. The next thing I am pulling out is a silver and blue pocket square that retails for $20. That is also really nice. And then here is a lapel pin. It's a lapel flower. It retails for $15. He probably won't ever wear that, but it's okay. And then the last thing, oh, that's cute, is a tie clip, and it retails for $15, and it actually looks like a paper clip. So that's kind of cool. Here, let's pull it out. And that's what it looks like. I think that's cute. I actually really like that. Okay, so let's get into some important news. So today I decided we are getting really close to 2.5. I decided that I would just go ahead and announce the winners. I would like to get this stuff out of here. It's stacking up. It's starting to look messy, cluttered. So I am going to announce the winners for the 2.5 milestone giveaway, and I'm also going to announce the winners for the mystery box giveaway. We're gonna start with the 2.5 giveaway, and I'm going to list them in order. So for the 2.5 milestone giveaway, there are 8 winners, and so I'm just gonna get into it. The winner of the Jawbreaker palette is Jody Stevens. The winner for the Blue Blood palette is Crystal Floods. Box number 1 is Rox Ray. Box number 2 is Allison Worley, and then I also said that I would do 4 runners up. Now, I'm not going to get into where you pick your bag this time. I only made 4 bags up, so I'm just gonna send you a bag. But the runner-up, the first runner-up, the runner-up for the Jawbreaker palette, who will get the first small bag, is Kaz Augie. Runner-up number 2 is Stephanie Looney. Runner-up number 3 is Samantha Springman, and runner-up number 4 is Robin L. So congratulations to all of you. You have 48 hours to contact me via my email that is linked in the description. Contact me, give me your address so I can send you all your goodies. After 48 hours, if you have not contacted me, I will redraw for your spot. And then for the V-Day mystery box winners, for the premium box, Venus Warrior is the winner. For the Blue Blood bundle, Erica Mullins is the winner. And for the 24K palette bundle, I wrote this down because it's long. Alice Lynn, I Love Being a Grammy is the winner. So again, congratulations to everybody. And again, 48 hours. This is going up on a Monday, so you'll have until noon on Wednesday to contact me. Again, if not, I will have to redraw, but I hope you guys enjoyed this. And again, congratulations to all of you. And don't forget, the Bloodlust giveaway is still going on. So have a great day. Bye.